I don't like that picture.
It's tough to get all in it, hon.
Yubby boy.
Guess it's not just your hands.
Let's creep while you and me repeat this bittersweet heat.
Good morning. Do you want to go out? Okay, it's very cold. I understand that they don't want to be out there. So I have to have a quick coffee. I'm gonna have pancake and coffee. Pancake, 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 pancake everywhere. I like this shirt. This is, I keep a Ziploc bag that is not like meat in it, and I wash it because this is expensive, and then after using it and then you have to throw it. I wash it and dry it, and and then reuse it. We're heading now, guys. I just need battery. We're here, but before we go, smokers. You still use this? You still like this? Is that?
I didn't realize that.
Okay, we're here. Oh, look at that, guys. I see the window, guys. We're here in the waiting area. Hi guys, I am here. It's time check now. It is, I don't know, hold on, 10:10 in the morning. We wait for a few minutes, and actually it's half-hour waiting, and then they called Tommy to get in and then put IV on him and stuff like that. And what else do they do? Oh yeah, they put IV on him and wait another 30 to 40 minutes before they let them in for the procedure. If you don't know, Tommy have a procedure today, has to do something with his intestine, stuff like that. So they will call me to pick him up, because they won't let him go if no one will drive him to go home, because obviously they're drug something into them, medicine something, and so he can't just drive himself. It's not good for him. So right now I am watching Casey's Nice Stats video. And I've been watching a lot of videos now because it's boring, and I have to charge my phone because it's low bat. I have already video uploaded. I left it in the house and it's already uploaded, so I'm gonna put the thumbnails later, put a tag additional, because I always do additional, and then put in live 12 o'clock. It's always 12 o'clock. If it's not 12 o'clock, later 12 o'clock, later in the afternoon. I've been watching Yuri TV. I watch different kind of videos while waiting for Tommy, and I don't know, I remember, I forgot all the video, but I did watch a lot of videos. Okay guys, I'm going to do a shout out while I'm in the car. I'm gonna do a shout out for tomorrow's vlog. Shout out to Ginalyn Fabilani, and also shout out to Lala Flores, Vanessa Juntahan, The Residence Aliens Wife, Flo Rains, to Tense Meeple, Dan Kailu, Juka Acosta, Heidi, and Hi Davao Dreamin, Black Flag 420, and also Toporita Kamal, Alda Zone USE Zone Misu, Irene Gillian, Mildarana, Hi Jovil Lita. I am so hungry right now, as in hungry. And I usually don't drink water for one time this bottle. I usually don't finish this a day, but this time I did finish it one time. I feel bad with my husband yesterday. He doesn't eat anything since yesterday morning. He just kept drinking liquid, and I feel bad for him now. We're home, and the first thing I did is hit the kalbasa. Focus on me. Hold on, it's not focus on. Okay, focus on me. I hit the kalabasa, a lot of kalabasa, and then chicken, one strip of chicken tender, and then a lot of rice. I almost finished the rice that we have left. And look who's dead tired. Somebody's dead tired, look. You woke up. You woke up because I'm talking about you. You did woke up, no? Yes, you did. But always clean their eyes, guys. What is that? What is that teeth na is so white? Oy, I love your white teeth, oy. Because I give a bone to get the tartar out, right? Because the mama take care of you, right? Mama take care of you, right? Hold on. Hold on. I just, my other baby. Just, my other baby, put your head on my lap. What did you did, oy? You did, Mona. You did, Mona. Where is she? Oh, she's right there. I'm gonna play with my Roxy first now. I'm doing the other one of mine to somebody. Hi, di bulut na di bulut. Ang baby ni Mama. Ang di bulut. In our bed. Yeah, she's in there. That's where he belongs. Hubs is really good, but he doesn't have the look.
He does.
No, hon, he doesn't really, hon. Dimples have the look. Hubs is the sweetest cat ever, but he doesn't have the look of like a pretty cat. Yes, I love you. Are you a licky cat? Yes, you're cleaning yourself. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, let me focus with that. Oh, you're so pretty, oi. You're so pretty, yes. Clean me, baby. Clean me, baby, 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 baby.
Styles that fit every budget and no interest for 72 months. You can't afford to miss this once-a-year sale. Hurry in today. Ashley Home Store.
Accident-free. Silence. It's good to be in good hands. Working hard to lower your LDL bad cholesterol.
I'm focusing here the eyes of my babies.
That's last week, like we ate children.
Yeah.
Do not take Repatha if you are allergic to it. Repatha may cause allergic reactions. Signs include redness, severe rash, or
To a highest dose step, Repatha lowered LDL below 7. 90% of people. Ask it for
Hi guys.
I just didn't, because they take advantage if you let.
Anyway guys, Tommy is making some pancake. Gumagawa siya ng pancake right now. Hold on. Yung screen ko nagkahugaw-hugaw. Anyway, kukunin lang namin yung anak ng kapatid niya sa eskwelahan. Guys, tapos na akong kumain. Marami akong kinain kanina. While watching Pinay New Yorker TV, this one right here. I'm watching his video, her videos, and Tommy gave me pancake, guys, like never-ending pancake. I have breakfast pancake. When I get here, I have too much lunch, and then there's another pancake. But Tommy takes forever, guys. Takes forever. I don't know what. Okay, he's here, guys, and he's walking really slow.
Yeah, pay attention.
Is that not paying attention?
Something just like that.
Okay.
Wings. Sports.
Prices and participation vary. See participation location.
Another side.
Check it out.
Thanks, everybody. How's the play? The play.
Where's the little guy over here throwing snowballs at? Yeah, you threw a snowball at her and then you ran away.
Want to know the secret that those flipping houses gurus won't tell you?
No, the snow is too big. Tomorrow is Wednesday, guys. Somebody will call me Monday for the interview.
What else called?
Howlett Bay. I don't know. Howlett. It's just in there. Hold on. Let's look because I still have to go see that dog.
She's such a good dog.
She still know us, and even though we don't come here that often, she still know us.
She's just a sweetie.
Yeah.
Wow, you in a seatbelt, huh? Grandma? You guys have a lot in common.
It's not my mother though.
Yeah, that's scary, isn't it? You have that much in common and she's not related.
So that dog is really sweet. She knows me. She really she did it the first thing.
Yeah, so we got there and no, I didn't know why. He was like, and Thomas was like, he had a dog that has to be walking. So he's like, well, I said, all right, well, where's Harley's leash? She goes, oh, no, I can't walk Harley. I'm just going to take time. And I said, well, that's not right. I said, get her leash off. Come on.
Can I have to turn here?
Yeah.
Nandito ngayon kami guys sa shop, Stop and Shop. May kukunin lang kami syrup, egg, at saka what else? And egg. Yeah. Sugar free, that's the one. We're home, guys. Say hi to people, honey. Say hi.
Hi, guys.
We're home and
I paid for this service. So
you did?
Free. Yeah, of course.
That's why I put that over there. So it says this card here is for you to put somewhere. It's a Subaru card. They have that thing going on. But anyway, guys, Tommy has been. Did you remember, guys, the video? I don't know if you remember that Tommy is like been craving for pizza for I think it's a month already. Somebody's pregnant here, so I'm gonna tell you. So guys, so we decided.
Are you pregnant?
He is. Look at that.
Look at that face.
No, look at the ugly face of your house.
He is cute. He's my little cute bug.
Dimples is the prettiest.
Cutie bug. Little man.
Call him.
Little cutie bug. You're my cutie bug.
Daddy loves you so much. Look at the close eyes. That means he tells you that he loves you. Shout out to Jean De La Cruz. Hi Jean from Hong Kong. And also Armida Parsons. Hi sis. Thank you for watching. Glinda Sawi. Hi Glinda. Jimalin Miogo. Hi Jimalin. So Rochelle Soliva. Hi sis. Thank you for watching Rochelle. Vanessa Juntahan. Hi sis. Thank you for watching Vanessa. Thank you. And yung asawa ko guys busy. Kahit anong mga ginagawa niya. Kanina gumagawa na naman siya ng maraming pancakes. Ngayon gumagawa naman siya ng egg salad niya.
Oh yeah, now there's a smile. Look, there wasn't a smile a minute ago. I'll put your face back. That's better.
So what's your plan, honey?
I'm making egg salads.
Yeah. I want him guys to just vlog me sometimes when I'm doing something. But oh god. He has a big camera and he's kinda embarrassed to carry a small camera. Just people are crazy.
My camera doesn't do video. It's strictly a camera.
Well, probably that camera is ruined already because he's just like.
It's up in the attic.
Is it in the attic?
Yeah.
I think it's in the other house already.
You brought it to your house?
I'm not sure.
Hope you didn't put things on top of it.
I know what's camera, Han. I know what's the bag. You don't even let me carry that. That's heavy camera, guys. Very heavy, and there's no video. All you have to do click, and then you have to put your eyes in there like.
It's like a camera.
No, this one have a screen.
It's like a regular camera.
It's just like you have to put your eyes in the circle over there to see the people that you did. You remember, guys, in the elementary, we have to hire Kodaker. Mangingiyot, guys, somebody, a photographer, and then you have to pay like 50 pesos for like 5 copies.
Yeah, but see, I'm so old that it's like the Flintstones. When there was a little bird inside the camera that would chisel out your picture in a stone.
What is that? I don't even get it.
Because you never watched the Flintstones.
No.
It's a cartoon. Rat-a-tat-tat,
What the? You called me a brat, hun?
brat.
Why you said I'm brat?
Brat.
Why you say
Turn
that?
it around so people see your face when you say it. Brat.
Brat. He called me I'm a brat.
Brat.
So why am I a brat?
So, honey, how much time you got? The blog's not long enough for this.
You know what? He's so lucky. I love him. Even though he's really...
Love you too.
You don't.
Just say it with a camera.
He doesn't. I bring that down here and you don't use it. It's pissed me
I
off.
am going to use it. All the breaks in it.
Yeah, my old hand.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
tough to be old as you.
Guys, we have a wedding picture, guys.
Show them the picture of your hands then.
I will put the picture right here, guys. The picture of my wedding ring.
Granny
the,
hands.
The focus it with our hands together with the ring.
Granny
You know what he
hands.
said? Well, you know what he said first? I have an old lady hand.
It is, look.
I know, guys. I have a wrinkly hand, so I don't like that picture. And then later on, he said, my foot. So my foot. He said I have a wrinkly foot. It get worse, guys, if I soak it in the water a long time. Oh my god, it get white and very crinkly. Why is that, huh?
I don't know, because you're always in the sun, I guess. Cause
Yeah, you guys have a girly skin, American.
is that it?
Girly, like, oh my god, you're so fragile, hon.
Fragile. I used to be able to punch brick walls. What? They're like not fragile.
Look at your hand. It's softer than my hand. My hand is
Right.
like a man hand.
And it always worked. 'Cause the
No, it's
skin-
not. It's
'cause the
not
skin is
tough.
tough.
It's
Yeah.
very soft, like a woman.
Right, because the skin's tough. It
No.
don't fall apart. Get old, crackly.
Are you
It's
kidding?
only now I'm getting old, so things are getting crackly. But
Crackly, guys. Old and crackly right here.
and my hands still look younger than yours.
Yeah. Guys, it's so. Not right. Order some pizza already. And what kind of pizza are you getting, hon?
Sausage and fresh garlic.
Sausage and fresh garlic. Hi guys, I am running again. Tammy and I were going to. I'm looking down there because the screen. I put you sideways, not sideways. I put you upside down. We're heading to go to his cousin's house to drop the battery. The nice comment back and forth to MaryAnn Evans. Guys,
I guess I should put the seatbelt.
Grandpa.
At least I remember, Grandma.
Oh shit!
It's tough to get old, isn't it, hon?
Yabby boy.
Guess it's not just your hands.
Whatever. Whatever. Ay nako, honey. Di ba, Han?
How are you calling a pineapple?
Di ba, Han? Slow down over here. Di ba, Han?
Ivan is right. Let's go. What did you do?
I'm gonna do music and then I'm gonna go
No.
back to the map.
Go back to the friggin' map. You just undid the address.
No, I did it. Look, I did. It's done?
It's
You
up
don't
there.
save it?
I said hit go. You went to. I gotta do music first.
Oh, sorry.
Now you gotta type it in.
Okay, I'll type it.
We're gonna let you now. We're driving.
Okay, shit. Sorry, baby. Forgive me. Oh, guys, I did something bad.
I'm wasted. My heart grows heavy. Don't taste me rushing. Keep your words naked.
Hi guys, we are going. We're already almost home. But anyway, I'm gonna end this vlog because when we get home, we're almost home. When we get home, this is what I'm gonna do, guys. Touching over here. Anyway, yeah. So gonna end this vlog, baby, right? gonna end this vlog, and I will see you tomorrow, guys. I'm still gonna edit this video, today's video, for tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Look, it's traffic. Wow, it's so hot. Did you turn it on? It's so hot. So, yeah, guys, good night, guys. We stay a little bit longer over there talking, and now time check, it is 8:54 in the evening, and we're gonna go direct to bed. Anyway, guys, bye.
Maybe a car button.
So he's thinking, guys, that I have a boyfriend. So